These are the elevators at the Riverchase Galleria in Hoover, Alabama. I'm gonna try to go to 3. Oh, can't go to 3, so 2 it is. That scared me. Okay.
I like how quiet it is in here compared to as soon as the door opens.
Yeah. It's a pretty nice elevator. These used to be Dovers, but these aren't the original elevators, obviously. Fixtures. There it goes. That's it. Uh-oh, looks like you've reached the end of the video. You can always watch more though. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and light up that bell. And stay tuned for more.